You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation, how to pronounce it. From Indonesian, also Malay. Aceh, how to pronounce A. Che, yes, I know. The spelling form, like it's unusual for English, it's pronounced more like the H would be just after the C, right? A-C-H-E, Aceh. That's essentially how you would normally spell it in English. Aceh, A-C-H-E. But that's your spelling, and Aceh is your pronunciation. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.